So first of all, you guys might not know who I am. So let me start off by saying, hi, my name is Mario. I am a graphic designer and I live in Chicago. I want to know what kind of tutorials you guys want. So I have a couple of tutorials in the work. I am doing a header tutorial. I am going to do some stream graphic tutorials, and I'm going to do some layer style tutorials. Now I want you guys to let me know what tutorials you want to see. I can do some motion graphics, so I could do lower thirds tutorials. I do know my way around Premiere Pro a little bit. I can do color grading tutorials, I can do effects tutorials, you know, just whatever you guys want. So just let me know, comments down below, what you guys want to see. If you're new to my channel, please feel free to hit the subscribe button. And if you like this video, click the like button. Helps me out a lot. And thanks for watching. Ugh.